There is nothing more special than a handmade gift for your loved one. These are inexpensive, easy to make, and take no time at all. To make your own personalized gift, you need a wooden hammer, permanent black vinyl, a cutting machine, transfer material, Mod Podge, and a foam brush. Create and cut out your design. Use the transfer material to add the saying to the hammer. Cover with a thin layer of Mod Podge and allow it to dry. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.